Well, we're in DasCafe, and today we're going to prepare a creative, healthy snack for kids. And you want the kids to come into the kitchen with you, with the mom, dad, caregiver, so that they can learn firsthand how to prepare simple, healthy snacks. So let's get going. This snack I call Kids Special, and everything goes into the food processor. All right. First, we only have 5 ingredients for this dish. First, there's 8 whole dates. Nothing to measure, not really. And then there's 1 banana, and I just cut it up. You don't need to slice it because, again, everything is going into the mixer, the food processor here. Then I have about either a 1/4 cup, but I'm using about a 1/3 because I like a lot of nuts in this particular filling. About a 1/3 cup, a 1/4 to a 1/3 cup of whole pecans. Then my very next ingredient is 1 7-ounce package of non-dairy cream cheese. And this entire package in here. Like I said, it's very simple. Now, of course, if you have kids with you while you're preparing this, they can pass the ingredients for you with a butter knife like I'm using. They can cut up the bananas, and that's the only thing that you really need to cut up are the bananas because everything else goes in here. And then there's something else that they can help you with that I'll show you in just a second. Then I've got 2 tablespoons of non-dairy milk that I add to the processor to help it to blend. And you gotta really let it blend because those dates, it takes a while for them. I was a nutritionist for the military, and I had to plan their meals, plan healthy programs to introduce them to healthier options. And so I got to learn a lot firsthand what kids like.